At the end of the last step, we had created the text statement class and the customer class was calling text statement to generate the statement. However, we realized that there is a problem. The customer class is now dependent on the text statement class and the text statement class is dependent on the customer class. This means there is a bidirectional association or a circular dependency between the text statement class and the customer class. This circular dependency is a problem. It makes both the classes tightly coupled. Changes to one of the classes would lead to us changing the other. Moreover, we cannot modularize this code because then both the modules would be dependent on each other. This code smell is called inappropriate intimacy. Inappropriate intimacy is classes that spend too much time together or interface in inappropriate ways. Basically, they know too much about each other's private parts. Classes ideally should know as little as possible about other classes. The solution to this code smell is changing bidirectional association to unidirectional. We cannot remove the statement function from the customer because it is a part of the public interface and we don't want to change the public APIs. Therefore, the customer class will have to be dependent on the text statement. The text statement, on the other hand, does not need to take customer as a parameter to generate the statement. It can just take those individual parameters such as name, total amount, total frequent renter points and the list of renters instead of taking the whole customer. This will enable us to break the circular dependency. We can use an IntelliJ shortcut called extract parameter to extract each of them as parameters. As you can see, as soon as we extracted all four of these as parameters, IntelliJ automatically removed the customer as a parameter to the display method of the text statement class. The statement function now calls text statement and passes these four individual parameters instead of passing the customer object itself. Now this code is not perfect. We have four parameters instead of one. The code looks untidier and there is more of a chance that we make mistakes when we are calling this method. Still, it is better than having both the classes dependent on each other, so we'll prefer this code over the one with inappropriate intimacy. The last step to any refactoring is to ensure that we run our tests to see that we've not broken anything. So I'll run my tests here. At the end of this step, you might want to extract text statement into a different file, but don't do it right now. We want to have some discussions on the text statement in the next section and then we'll extract it into a different file.